Alright people, so I'm back at you guys again with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this documentary Blu-ray called Gangster Empire, Rise of the Mob. Here, which looks pretty decent. Seen the trailer on it on YouTube and it looks pretty decent. I'm like, yeah, let's get that. I gotta get the top here. Let's see. Okay. There's the front. There is the side. This one's a Mill Creek. There's the back. That's pretty cool. 4 hours and 36 minutes. It's in color and black and white. Sweet. Talking about old school mobsters. There's the disc there. Heck yeah. So there you have it. That was my unboxing of Gangster Empire, Rise of the Mob. Peace.